I want to film a quick video, and basically what the video is what are the politics of owning a Tesla? And I know that's a really silly, stupid thing to say, and it sounds stupid. I understand that. But let me tell you what the politics of owning a Tesla is in the most basic form. What I break it down to is when I tell somebody, yeah, I drive a Tesla, and their first response is, oh, I can't believe I heard Elon Musk did this. That's what I associate owning a Tesla and the politics of owning a Tesla. Now, me personally, when somebody says that to me, my brain IQ falls by 3 points because I could give a crap less what Elon Musk did, said, or is going to do. Now, don't get me wrong. I know some people are huge Elon fans, Tesla fanboys, anything Elon Musk, they are all about. Me, I do not care. I could not tell you the last thing Elon Musk did. The way I think about it is there is a million people in between him and the production of this car. And I liked Teslas from the very first time I saw them, but they were $80,000 vehicles, so I could never afford one. Now you can get this one for $42,000, which it is a reasonably priced car. Yeah, it was double the price of my Kia, but that is a normal price car that I can get with a normal price, normal monthly payment. So when people say, oh, I won't drive a Tesla because Elon Musk didn't support blank and blank with the government, I just think to myself, like, that is the dumbest thing I've ever heard. I could give two shits what Elon has done, said, or going to do, or what politics he's involved to. I like Tesla the car. I don't like Tesla solar panels. No, I like Tesla the car. I'm sure I'd like Tesla solar panels, but I don't have them. I like the car. I like what it represents. I like the electric vehicle, the independence of being able to charge at home, and not to count, it's a damn smooth looking car. You know, I love the minimalistic look. I love the Tesla. I don't care about what Elon has said or did. Now, there's going to be multiple categories of people in this video, and just know I am not educated in anything other than what's in front of me. And I am not sure what he said or did, or what's controversial, not controversial. I'm just not about that. I don't care. I like the vehicle for the vehicle, and I'm going to drive a Tesla no matter what Elon Musk or any other person that is associated with Tesla has said or did. I like a car for a car, just like I got my Kia because I wanted a Kia. Not that I wanted Kia, they said good warranties and whatever. You know what I mean? We all buy cars for different reasons. I don't not buy a car because of some political statement. So that is like my definition of what is the politics of owning a Tesla. Like you hear stories of people getting their cars keyed because they drive a Tesla. People, having shit thrown at them on the road. I will say, during the first few days of ownership, I had a big diesel truck pull in front of me and smoke and blow a big old black smoke cloud on me. Now, I don't know if he was just doing that to do that or it's because I was in a Tesla. Either way, my thought on that person is they must have the IQ of a small child, because to associate what a person has said or did, even though he is the owner of Tesla, and to associate that with a vehicle, a chunk of metal that drives on the road, just makes my brain hurt. Like, I literally feel dumber even having to say that or associate with that. So everybody may have mixed opinions on this. This is just my personal take. I don't associate what one single person, and yeah, he may be the owner, but I don't associate what he says or does with my view or ownership of a Tesla. I own a Tesla because I like the Tesla car, and I like just, you know what I mean? It's a cool car. It's an electric vehicle. I like electric vehicles as is. I have two very expensive electric scooters. Well, one's $1,000. The other one's $3,000 electric scooter. I like electric vehicles. I always have. And there's nobody that does it better in the electric vehicle field for vehicles other than Tesla. So, I mean, there's going to be a lot of mixed bags on this, and I encourage you to chime in below. Are you a Elon fanboy and you buy everything Tesla, or you don't even know what Elon has done in the past 6 years like me, other than maybe like I know he does SpaceX, and I know Starlink is pretty cool. Like, I know stuff like that, but I couldn't tell you what he did with so-and-so probably 2 years ago. Like, I don't associate myself with that stuff. I don't waste my time on knowing that kind of stuff. And it's just not important to me. What's important to me is, you know, having a job, paying the bills, being with the kids. I don't have time to dedicate extra brain power and emotions and nonsense to what Elon Musk said to so-and-so, and now I don't like my Tesla no more, or I like my Tesla more because Elon Musk shit a gold bar. Like, it's just not my thing. So, like, that is my definition of what the politics of owning a Tesla means. And that goes for Cybertruck. That goes for anything Tesla vehicle related. And anybody who is dumb enough to associate the words or actions of one man, which, yeah, he is the owner, but to associate that with a vehicle has the IQ of a small child. Now, don't get me wrong, the people that love Elon and buy everything Elon, that's cool. Like, we all love, there's probably people that love Jeff Bezos, and so they buy everything Amazon. Like, who knows? I mean, everybody, Michael Jordan's a good example. People love Michael Jordan, they buy his shoes. Michael Jordan might say something controversial, but people still buy his shoes, and his shoes are still worth a lot of money. So, I don't know. This video is kind of hit or miss. It's going to have a mixed reaction probably, but I hope most people understand where I'm coming from, that, like, I don't give a crap. I drive a Tesla because I drive a Tesla. I don't drive it because I like Elon, or I don't not drive it because I dislike Elon. So, I don't know. This is a mixed bag video. Say your opinion down below. Are you a Tesla, or are you an Elon fanboy and you buy everything Elon related? Or are you a Tesla fan and you could give two craps about Elon and what he says or does? Now, don't be wrong. I like Elon for creating the company. I like Elon for a lot of the products he's created, but there's just not one person that creates that stuff. There's millions of, hundreds of thousands of people that go into creating these things. And so to dislike something because of one person, when there's hundreds of thousands of people involved, and robots, obviously a lot of robots in the production of these things, just doesn't make sense to me. So I don't know. This is kind of a goofy video. I don't want to say goofy, but I don't know. You get what I'm saying. Like, hopefully, you know, this is all just my personal opinion. I'm just some uneducated hillbilly that doesn't know nothing. So, yeah. See ya.